In this video, I'm going to show you how to do an oil change on your Acura MDX. Underneath the vehicle, we have the engine oil drain. We're going to be using a 17mm socket and remove the oil plug. Break it loose. When you do this, make sure you have an oil pan underneath to catch all the oil. Start draining, let it drain for a little bit. Now we're ready to reinstall our drain plug, and we wanted to always make sure we replace the crush washer. So simply remove the old one, put the new one in, and put the drain plug in. Start it by hand. Bottom it out. And now we have to torque down our drain plug to 29 foot-pounds. Next up, we're gonna remove the old oil filter. And before we go ahead and remove it, I'm gonna be putting a bag over the filter so that way when it drains, it doesn't get completely all over the undercarriage. So it's gonna be kind of like a funnel. Put it like that. Next up, we're gonna remove the oil filter, and for that, I have an oil filter removal tool. We're gonna get it loose. Once you break it loose, make sure you place the bag over the filter. And now, finish it off by hand. Place the bag and make sure you have an oil pan underneath to catch the oil. Remove the oil filter. And let it drain for a little bit. Now we're ready to install the new oil filter, and for that we're gonna pre-fill it with some new oil. And before we install it, we wanna make sure that we get some oil on the O-ring. That way the filter won't get stuck next time it gets removed. Now we're ready to remove our bag, get it out of the way, and install the new filter. Snug it up. Now just simply grab a rag and a little bit of brake parts cleaner and wipe off any oil. To get better access to the oil fill hole, we're gonna be removing this right here and simply just grab it on both sides and lift up. Pull it out of the way. Next, we're gonna remove the filler cap. Move it to the side. And grab yourself a funnel. Slide it in place. And now we can start filling up the engine. This engine takes 5.7 quarts of O20 oil. Remove your funnel. Put the oil filler cap back on. Next, we're gonna double check by pulling on the dipstick and check on the level. We wanna be on the second line. Now we're ready to install the cover. Slide it in place. And push down on it. Now you're gonna turn the vehicle on, let it get to temp, and recheck your oil level. We're gonna click on the engine start button twice without pressing on the brake. Now we're gonna scroll using this button right here until we get to the vehicle settings. We're gonna click it. We're gonna scroll down to maintenance. We're going to click on it. And it's going to ask if we want to reset it. So simply just scroll down, press reset. And then from here, we're just going to back out. We're going to go on cancel, go on exit, and scroll down. And here it is, oil life 100%.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.